All right, y'all. Little LS swap. I think it's a 4.8. We gonna put it in the Caprice. Thing ain't been crunked up in a while, so hold on. We got some beeping in there or no? Yep. All right. Let's see that thing. I said I got mine in the car if you want to try that one.
Yeah,
All right, we gonna see if old JF egg will. It's gonna turn this little LSO. It's on there. See if you got something now. I don't hear nothing dinging or nothing. All right, hold on. All right, there we go. Come on. Oh, all right, there we go.
got no gas.
There we go. That thing fine. That thing wide as can be. Real quiet. Old girl running good. I need to find the RPO list on this truck and see if it's the 4.8 or the 5.3. Either one, I'm gonna take it. It ain't even gonna matter. Hold on. Oh no, it's a 5.3. So two good things here. It's a 5.3 and she is 2-wheel drive. So I ain't gotta find a new transmission or nothing. So go in transmission, going to the Caprice. I won't be driving the Yukon today. Just stay right there. I won't be driving the Yukon today, but I'm just gonna move it out the way. See how many miles. I think it said it was 300 and something thousand on this truck. Oh yeah, 328,000 miles. And this thing is as quiet as it wants to be. 328,000.
You're looking drippy.
I'm looking drippy.
Yeah.
Then what you looking like?
Ready to beat T2's boss.
All right.
I got to level 11. I got the hoverboard.
Good. All right. So first thing we gotta do is we need to go to the gas station. We only going about 60 miles, so we don't need a lot of gas. We just need some gas to get us where we going. All right, so we in the final resting place of where it's gonna sit for a little bit. So 328,087 is where we're looking at. Low coolant, temp gauge seems low, so it's probably not working, but low fuel, low temp, whatever. It's gonna sit here. So let's talk about this 2002 GMC Yukon SLT 5.3 two-wheel drive that we're going to be using for the swap into my 1981 box Chevy Caprice. So of course this is two-wheel drive 4L60E. So there's a difference between the two-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive, being the transfer case and the tail of the transmission. So if you do buy like an entire vehicle, if you buy a LS swap and it comes out of a four-wheel drive or the all-wheel drive, you know, Yukon Denali, so forth, so on and so forth, you can't use the transmission as it comes out. You need to disassemble the transmission, and you got to swap out the tail shaft. So with this being a two-wheel drive, I can use the transmission as it comes out. So it got a 5.3. The 5.3 has 285 horsepower. Of course, 4L60E, 4-speed automatic. And that's going to be great for me. 325 foot-pounds of torque. I don't plan on doing anything to this motor internally. I'm just going to do a gasket set. I'm going to do a milling oil pump New water pump. The what is it? The 302-2 oil pan, and that'll probably be it. I'm not doing cam, none of that stuff. The truck has 328,000 miles on it. It holds 40 pounds of psi as it is. It starts up no problem, so I'm going to leave it like it is. The Caprice is going to be going from probably what 100 and something horsepower, because the 267 1981 267 cubic inch, because I'm pretty sure, because I think my car has the 267 V8 in it. 115 horsepower, 200 foot-pounds of torque. So 115, 215, 230. So we are more than doubling the horsepower and not quite doubling the torque. So basically doubling the horsepower and 1.5 timing the torque, just straight out the box. Not too bad. If you do need any parts for your 2001 to 2006 GMC Yukon, let me know, because all parts besides the motor, transmission, engine, wiring harness, sunroof will be available for purchase. So if you're local to Greensboro, between Greensboro and Butler, North Carolina, let me know and we can arrange some parts for you. But outside of that, let's get back to it. And hopefully sometime in the future, we will be grabbing this 328,000 mile motor out of this Yukon, motor and transmission out, and the drive shaft. And we will be tearing this motor down. Not tearing it down, we're going to be doing gaskets, oil pump, oil pan, water pump, timing chain, clean it up, painting it, probably black and silver, just keep it low key, give it a nice little refresh, and then we're going to start slapping stuff back into the Caprice. So, like everything you do, always remember, think, build, and enjoy. Peace.